Solar power plants play a crucial role in harnessing renewable energy by converting sunlight into electricity. The two main technologies employed are photovoltaics, PV, and concentrated solar power, CSP, each offering unique methods to capture and utilize solar energy effectively. PV solar plants are the go-to choice for residential and commercial use due to their simplicity and widespread availability. Here's how they function. Solar panels, composed of silicon cells, absorb sunlight while exciting electrons in their structure, leading to the generation of direct current, DC, electricity. Once generated, this DC electricity undergoes transformation through an inverter, which converts it into alternating current, AC. AC is the form of electricity used in homes and businesses, making this process fundamental for daily energy consumption. After conversion, the electricity is either supplied directly to these establishments or fed into the power grid, contributing to the overall energy supply. On the other hand, CSP plants shine in large-scale applications, particularly in sun-drenched areas such as deserts. They utilize mirrors or lenses to focus sunlight onto a central receiver, generating intense heat to produce steam. This steam drives a turbine linked to an electricity-generating generator, mimicking traditional power plant operations. Notably, certain CSP systems can store heat using molten salt, enabling them to generate electricity even when the sun no longer shines. Both solar technologies epitomize an eco-friendly approach to energy, marked by low maintenance requirements and significant reductions in carbon emissions. With these technologies, solar power is becoming a prominent alternative energy source, helping to forge a sustainable future. Like and subscribe.